Okay everybody, here we go. This number sequence follows the rule, and here's the rule. Subtract 10 and then divide by 10. And we need to write in the two numbers that are missing from the sequence. Now we actually need to find the first number in the sequence, so we're going to have to use the rule in its opposite way. So there are two instructions, so we're going to have to start with the second instruction and do its opposite. So instead of dividing, we'll have to multiply, and then we'll do the first rule, and instead of subtracting, we're going to have to add. So if we start off with 120, we're going to multiply that by 10, and that will give us 1,200. And then we need to add 10 to that, and so we'll get our first term, which is 1,210. Now, moving on to find the last term over here, we have to actually follow the instructions in order. And so that means we're going to have to subtract 10 and then divide by 10. So let's be careful because we've got a decimal. So we've got 0.1 and we're going to subtract 10 from it. And because we're subtracting a larger number from a smaller number, we're going to end up with a negative. So we'll write that in first. And then we can just find the difference between the 10 and the 0.1. And the actual difference is going to be 9.9. So that's the first part. We've subtracted 10. Now we actually need to divide that by 10. So we've got 9.9 and we divide that by 10 and we'll get to our answer, minus 9.9, that should be minus 0.99. And that's what's going to go in the box here, minus 0.99. There you go.